Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cinematic horror text intro animations in a CapCut PC. You can start by adding this black background from the CapCut stock materials, but this duration is only 5 seconds, so what you need to do is create a freeze frame, delete the video, and adjust the freeze frame duration into 10 seconds because we need it to around 10 seconds like this. And after that, you can just add the text. Click on default text and here change the text to how you like it. For example, I'm going to just start by type in horror, and you can change the font and adjust the size. Change the font, just search for the terror font in here, click on enter, and you'll see this. So download it first and use it for your video. Adjust the size. I'm going to go with bold. Okay, like this. And after that, you can just go to the animations. Under the in here, find the flicker in animations. Let's just scroll down. This one, flicker, and adjust the durations to 2 seconds. Like this. Now just copy and paste the text in the same layer. Like this with some distance on it. Okay, and after this you can just change the text content to the one you want. So for the first one, I'm going to just leave it as it is. For the second ones, I'm going to go with text intro, and the third one is animations. Let's see the preview first. And after this, what you need to do is just select all of these elements, right click and create a compound clip. So after you create a compound clip, you can just go to the video effects and then just found the fold cassette effect in here. This one. Okay, this one's right, faulty cassette. So just download it first if you use it for the first time, and then click on the plus icon to edit it to the clips. Adjust the duration for the whole clips and add the second effect, which is the negative stroke. Let's find it. Okay, just add this ones right here. Click on the plus icon and again adjust the durations, and the last effects will be fog. So let's find it. You can find this fog effects under the nature category. Plus icon again to download it, and then don't forget to adjust the durations to match with the durations. Okay, so lastly, you can just go to the audio and find sound effects with the creepy keyword. Just find the one that you think fits into the tags. Let's try this one. Just download it first, and then you can just preview it first to see if it match with the tags. Okay, I'm going to add this. You can also add more than one if you want to. I'm going to also add this, and you can just trim the music to match it with the text like this. And let's see the preview. Let's see the result. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.